Hello, everybody. We are going to learn how to make suggestions in this video. We make suggestions because we want people to consider an idea or a plan we have. All the different examples have more or less the same meaning, but the grammar can be different. So, pay attention, please. Grammar. We could plus infinitive without to. We could sing a song. Let's plus infinitive without to. Let's go to the movies. How? What about? Plus gerund. Going to the movies. Shall we? Plus infinitive without to. Shall we go to the movies? Why don't plus subject plus infinitive without to. Why don't we go to the movies? Hello, friends. It is a beautiful day today. What can we do? Does anyone have a plan or a suggestion? Shall we prepare a picnic for the beach? I don't think so. We could have a barbecue. What a great idea! Let's go shopping. Why not? Why don't we go camping? No way, it's freezing outside. It's raining very hard outside and we must stay at home tonight. What can we do? Does anyone have any suggestions? We could rent a DVD. Good idea. Let's have a party with some more friends. I don't feel like it. Why don't we make some pizzas? Why not? How about making a chocolate cake? I don't think so. Shall we play cards? Okay. It's my dad's birthday tomorrow. What can I do for his birthday? Why don't you have a party for him? I don't think so. We could buy him a new shirt. Why not? Let's buy him some new socks. Why not? What about taking him to the theater this weekend? No way. Shall we make a chocolate cake? That's a great idea. Take note, everybody, of how we respond to a suggestion. Positive. Great idea. Why not? Okay. Negative. I don't think so. What a terrible idea. No way. Well done, everybody. You have just finished the suggestions video. It is important to watch the video many times. Also, remember to practice with lots of exercises and the related grammar page. Good luck and happy studying.